applause with a token of appreciation for her valuable contributions.
The future is seen here, and that strength the students have. And especially on platforms like this, when you see a lot of girl students in front of you, I think I feel extremely empowered, because I know that India is going to become the next superpower on the shoulders of women. Having said that, have you ever thought of one simple thing? क्या आपको पता है कि इस पूरे विश्व में कितना वेल्थ है? What is the total amount of wealth? The total amount of wealth is about $100 trillion. And we are in this phase where this wealth is going to be transferred to the next generation, to you all. And statistically, 50% of that wealth. I just want to leave you with 5 tips. Remember this. And one of the most important tips is never ever make this a man versus woman world, because it cannot be. All the policies, women reservation in the parliament, this decision is going to be made by men. I stand here on this podium and I have to thank my own father, my own husband, my own 2 sons, my first boss, my second boss, and the unlimited number of bosses who were always men, but believed in me, not because I was a woman, but because I was a resource that counted. So we need men who think right and have the right kind of mindset. Tip number 2, and whenever I look at women, I say this. You know what is PMS? Especially on this platform, remember, PMS is plan, model and scale. In your life, the only PMS that you should have is plan everything, model it, pilot it and scale it. That's when you will understand what success is. Third, somebody like a Divya will stand up for you. So stand up for your sisters, because sisterhood. You know why it's a man's world? Everyone's heard? It's a man's world. You know why it's a man's world? Because we haven't claimed it as yet. We created it. And now it's our time to claim this world. So as sisters, as women, stand up with each other. Tip number 4, stick to your core competence. You know, the best thing about this team that came in to pitch, everybody knew that what their core competence was. So girl knew how to talk, she was into marketing. She ensured that her marketing video was played. And that is the skill set. If it is your core competence, stick to it. And you will be extremely successful. And last but not the least, remember your roots. Remember that we are here for a purpose. I've been through various journeys. I've made products, I've done services. But I still say that my mother, who was a homemaker, her product is way better than my own product, because her product is me. And I stand here extremely confidently to say that she created me, and I have never been able to compete with her. With these 5 tips, I'm sure that this Women's Day and every Women's Day, and to all the men sitting here, there are very few, but thank you for being here, because, you know, all 365 days are Women Day. But today, we just want to remind you and to remind ourselves that we count. We may be invisible in numbers and data, but we count. And this country will not become the next superpower without the 50% force that is women, and hence we count more because we contribute more. It is unfortunate that my homemaker mother could never make to the GDP of the country, but the maid that worked for her did contribute to the GDP of the country, and hence we need people to understand that women contributed earlier, women contribute now, and women will always contribute in this country of the Lakshmi, Saraswati and Durga. Please don't make us Durgas, because we are Saraswatis with the knowledge and we can handle the finances with the Lakshmi. But dare you, we can always become the Durgas.